Siyamoyeni in 2 weeks. Sidinga ama-presenters ane-magic. If anikwazi ukukwenza lokho, ngizoyikhansela le contract. Ndichisa amaphepha, ndichisa nama-box.
Chisa, and the last simphathile staff is by nana ngeke ngikhona believe. I mean, split staff and the staff and split the staff.
Wait,
Get out.
come on, man, you've been flirting with me all night.
Xa umuntu ongumama ekubonisa ubuhlobo, loo nto ithetha uba ufuna ukulala nawe.
Dude, come on, don't
Out.
like this.
Ingathi sitya ukuthi ubafana kudala agcine emaklasini. Kodwa yini ngalomfana?
Chisa, 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 never like corner.
Nje uphinde ubone nje. Mama kuzokwenzeka ntoni ngoSpeedy?
Mara yini manje?
Well, this is a new artist called Prince. Call in and tell me if we blow it up or bounce it. Metro, hello?
Hola, mina namagang la Spanish square more. I think we must just blow it up.
All right, well, you know what? You're the third caller in a row who thinks so. I guess Prince belongs on the playlist then.
Yes!
Sokubalela ndide ndifike ku-3. 1, 2, 3.
Ngicimba sowukhulile kangaka.
Vuka, lixesha lokuya esikolweni ngoku.
Hayi holiday.
Xoke indini. Phakama Speedy.
Ayana,
Speedy.
cela undithengele ikhamera.
Ikhamera. Uzoyenza ntoni ikhamera? Bengicimba ufuna ifoni entsha nje na?
Ngicela nyani ikhamera Ayanda. Yiyo into ebalulekile kum.
Bona nje Speedy. Andinayo imali kwangoku. Jonga, sabuya sithethe ngalento ngelinye ixesha ne? Xa kusondela ixesha leChristmas. Ayanda? Uthi nditheni? Okay. Ngicela uniphindele lento uqoqa ngixelela yona. Unganqami. Aha. Enkosi kakhulu. Of course. Okay. Oh, yes. Speedy, do you have any cheers?
Hey, Kiboni. Can you give us lots of anything, catches? Listen, we need to talk. Call me.
Shane, Utabanelo from Sharp Pictures. Sidinga ukuthi uze studio ndoda uzolinganisa impahla le msebenzi ochisa utholile. Inkontileka yakho ine agent yakho njengamanje. Bye.
Hey, you know, lo ndaba ama-presenter nje iyinkinga. Namanje ngithatha i-risk enkulu kabi yazi.
Ngaboboyi babili.
Isiyangicika ke lento manje. Angazi fanele ngenze njani umsebenzi wami. Yazi ngempela ngidinga enje.
Mandla. Thana ngikutshela. I-commissioning editor ethreatenisha ukucancela i-contract yami. And ngeke sibe nemali yokudla. Mangabe ngizonza i-mistake encane engaka, let alone i-laptop yakho.
Bengidlalela nje mina yazi.
Askisi. Ukuthi nje ngi-stressed out, yazi?
Ichisi izoroka. Uzobona nawe uzoba grand.
I'm glad you think so.
Mandla lo?
Mandla Khumalo.
Ya, ngikhuluma noba.
Sipho Dlamini. Ngintatheli nje mina mfowethu. Ngicela ukukhuluma noVinolia. Oh, hey, ungakahambi nje mfowethu. Ngibona iscript sakho lesi short film yakho kweyodwa magazine aseBritain.
Usane impela ndoda. Awubaba kancane. Vinolia.
Yes. Sipho, nganceda ngani?
Ngiyezwe kuthiwa watholile ama-present akho amasha. Angitshela nokuthi uCastle noShane.
Uqinisile ke lapha?
Intombazane yona lena ubani amagama layo uAyanda. Angaze ngizwe ngayo. Uyazi ukuthi uthatha i-risk ngoShane. Idakamizwe seyiyekile.
That's what he says. Wena wayengazibuzeli yena.
Mangivumela ukuthi kube mina ozoba interview yokuqala.
Only if kuzobe kuyi-front cover.
Angikwazi ukunikeza i-cover story.
Yo, then you're going to have to wait for a press release again.
Okay. Ngizokunikeza i-cover story.
Fine. Njani lo muntu? Sure.
Sengiyahamba. Ngizoba late eklasini.
Awukahle kancane. Uprecious ube la izolo ebusuku. Ezokulanda ukuthi niye kulama dance classes zeni.
Ngiyasho ukuthi khona into bengikhohliwe. Indaba ukuthi bengibhizi. Kodwa ngiphathele indaba ezimnandi.
Iza nazo usubuyela mhlawumbe college.
Siyazi phela ukuthi awusalibhadi esikolweni.
Yeyi wena. Wathula nje awaziphendulela. Uyazi ukuthi le course yakho ukuthi isibiza malini? Ubhizi uqamba manga ukuthi uhamba isikolo kanti asahamba isikolo. Yazi ngicabangani? Ukukuthumela le kugogo wakho yohlala naye.
Mina bengafuni ukuyenza le course le nokuthi beningfoster. Ngifuna ukuba sestage ngiphathe mic, high behind the scenes.
Ufuna ukuthatha ikusasa lakho udlale ngalo. Yeyi wena waza la.
Dicho ndikusebenzele. Kwakhona ndizimisele ukwenza nantoni na oyicelayo kimi. Xolisi.
Hayi mama. Dim.
Nguwe mntanami, uyalila?
Hayi mama.
Ndifuna ube strong womelele.
Mama, ndizokomelela. Mama. Ndifumene la msebenzi wokupresenta kwiChisa.
Oh, Ayanda.
Mama, awuzuphinde uhlupheke nganto. Ndiyakuthembisa.
Oh mntanami, sele usinceda ngokwaneleyo.
Mama, ndiyakucela torho. Ndicela uvumela abanye abantu bakuncede. Andizukwazi usoloko ndilapha mina. Nomalume uMzukisi uthe ungeza uyohlala naye phayana kwakhe.
Hayi Ayanda, sale sinceda ngokwaneleyo.
Enye into mama, ngaphaya ekliniki bakhona abantu abangakunceda. Mama, kuza kufuneka ujongane nenyani ngoku. Kuza kufuneka ucingele noSpeed. Kufuneka ahambe ayokwenza i-test ezinami ndazenzayo ngelaxesha ndandimncinci.
Oh Ayanda, ndiyayazi loo nto. Ndifane nje ndanoloyiko.
Nami ngizoba imfama.
Oh hayi Speed, besingathethi ngolo hlobo bhuti.
Ewe ndiyazi ngizoba imfama njengomama.
Speed. Yima torho. Sakusa esikolweni. Jonga. Ndiyazi ukuba izinto zinzima kwangoku.
Ayazi into, awuhlali apha.
Speed.
Ungathethi njalo Thami, ngudadewethu lo.
Ya ngokufuna ukuzisa lo mashwa akhe apha kuthi kule family yethu.
Kanti unjani wena? Esi sisifo esithi sike izizukulwana ngezizukulwana kwii-families mnandi naso kodwa kwazi bani abantwana bethu bangabanaso
tata ngumntakwenu ndithi wena kodwa unaso isifo ngoba wenza yonke into efuna zizinyanya miyeka hambe emagqirheni ayovumisa atsho ukwazi uba yintoni nanye kanye le yenzakalayo
cingela umxolisi love ngumntwana nje angahlala njani nomama ongaboniyo
qinisekile zininzi indawo angaya kuzo
ucinga ukuthi ndingathanda udadewethu ahamba ayohlala nabantu endingabaziyo loo nto ingakholisa izinyanya ulungise igumbi lokulala for usisi nomxolisi kwaye xa befika apha ubenze bafike be-welcomed siyevana
What is this, busy?
Hey, Shane. Ngiyena bhuti. Bengisebhizi ne-contract yakho Shane.
Yandiyibulela nje noma unike ithuba ne?
Kodwa nje ungangiphoqa. Ngizoba honest nawe. I-commissioning editor ekuthandile Shane. Very much. Kodwa ukuthi inkinga yami nje ukuthi makungaba nje ne
I will prove it to you. I'll be the best thing that had ever happened to Chisa.
Well, in that case, enjoy the show and please have a good time.
Okay. Yazi, kutheni ukhethe wayanda? Akazange wasebenza e-TV.
Usichazile. Big time. And well,
ngizobona ungcono. I just don't think Ayanda's going to work as well. As Noni, Ayanda mhle. But she just doesn't have Bonnie's skills.
Hi, unjani sisi?
Inye nje qha into enza balo afuna uBonnie kule show. Kaloku bayathandana. Oh kanene enye into akufunekanga uba abantu bazi ngalento. Kaloku uBonnie utshatile.
Ngiyabonga sisi. Enough ne? Ngiyacela. And ngibona ngathi seni late for wardrobe. I can't join.
Uzawufuneka uaplayele le grant yengqaleka. Uthe ugqirha kuyawufuneka nje ukwenza uvavanyo kaninzi. Ile nto kufunela uyenzile leyo. Hayi. Kodwa andinakuzinceda manje ndibuza uba yintoni le ngaka embi enziwa ile family yakho ukubona ohlwaye ngoluhlobo. Thembele izinyanya ziqumbile.
Thami kodwa uyazalwa nayo le RP. Kwaye uThixo bathanda bonke abantwana bakhe kunye nabangaboniyo.
Hayi. Kodwa sisi mina ngicela uba ufanele uye egqirheni.
Yes Thami. Uayandebele lapha izolo.
Unjani?
Ndiyazidla ngaye. Uza kuba yipresenter kwinkqubo entsha ye-TV.
Yini? Azintoni ngoba yipresenter ye-TV?
Uza kufunda ndiqinisekile.
Hayi phofu uzawenza into enka yemali.
Hayi andiqondi. Kaloku kuyafanele ukuba ayeke la msebenzi wakhe wokuthengisa i-makeup.
Phofu usothithile no-Ayanda obafanele azohlala apha endlini azokwazi unceda.
Thami, kuyawunyanzeleka besedolophini uzawuxakeka ngoku.
Yini? Kwenzakala ntoni ngale ntete ethi ukuzala kukuzolula? Dembela, thetha nomntana.
Yobheka nawo bafana. Yo bafana, itrek yakho iyashisa mfethu ngizwe izolo yezwa?
Sure.
Hayi, usangena ngaphakathi ne?
But last night,
Fana bawazi ukuthi lento ibalekile ke manje.
I'm sorry, Peter.
Ngitshele weeks ago about lento.
Yeah, mara yazi ngilinde umnyaka ukuthi ngithole opportunity so.
Fana nami ngilinde iminyaka for matric dance yami.
Cela sihlale phansi khona into ngifuna ukutshela yona. Ngiyekile sigela.
Fana wenzeni why?
Bengancane lekhosi engitshonayo. And yazi nawe, i-one thing ngifuna ukutshona, music.
Fana ngiyazi mara kusenzakalani? I mean, what if le nto ayisebenzi?
Mara wangekho umuntu obelieve kimi. Mina nabazali bami nabo bangibhekela phansi.
Fana banendaba nokusasa wakho.
Nami ngendaba nekusasa lami. Mina bheka uBrenda noZola. They knew ukuthi lento le i-destiny yabo. Nami ngifila kanjalo.
Fana, I do believe in you.
Ngicela ukuthi ungangilahleli izandla kuyana. I mean, ayikho into engifuna ukuyenza ngaphandle kwakho. You know, ayikho into ezihlukanisa, Precious. Mamela. Iphupho lami. Nami ngifuna ukuba famous.
Hi, good. You guys have made up. So, Bafana.
That's Prince to you.
Okay, good Prince.
Sure.
Le nto yakho mayingaphumelela, angithi uzenza ama music video.
Yeah, mana kusamele ngithole record deal kuqala.
Ngithola kanjani manje leyo?
Hawo. Kumele abantu baqale bangazi, yabona ngithatha amademo wami ngayise kuma producer and then ngihlanganisa ama gigs for ama clubs.
So which means uzodinga ama dancers angithi. Man Bafana, mina nawe yazi my stuff is fresh. Singibonise futhi. Yabo. Ngishayela bo. Yabo. Angithi uyazi nawe mngani wami. Anyway, yabo. Ngishayela lezi. Yabo so wena, manganginikeza idemo yakho. I can work out a dance routine for you.
Ngizokugaya copy.
Bafana why can't? I mean, uyazi ukuthi I've been a dancer for years.
Shem, uyajiva ziphela. That's all she lives for.
Okay, fine.
Shaf, yawa nake.
Let's promise.
Stress. You better.
I'm finished now.
Open your bag, please.
Njengoba bengisakutshela wena Tabs. Ushane wathi kimi why sihire umuntu or sikhaste umuntu so inexpress njengo Ayanda. Mina ngase ngithi ke ngabe ushayela lamfuna. Uyabona ufuna ubuso obusha. And then wangena uAyanda. Leme lapha eminyango. Kathi Yandi, unjani sisi? Wena ngibona ngoShane wayethuke. Wathi kena kimi Ayanda. The reason why uShane afuna ukusebenza noBonnie is because bayathandana.
Unamanga.
He,
Inganobona ushadile nje and she's happy.
evidently not. Unless mangabe uAyanda bayaqamba manga. But then again uShane azange zaphike next.
Hayibo buka nithi ngithole ba esasinopa around.
Sivo.
Venoli, njani sisi?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Thank you so much for this. Futhi.
Yola kunjani?
Ngiyaphile.
Yeah, good right.
Sure. Abe ngiresithanda sami. Ngitshele inkomishi yecoffee.
Okay.
Ngiyabonga sisi.
Sure.
Awunje. Niyazana nabangani?
He's such a honey.
Actually, ungangi-ignoreishi. Ngithi niyazana nabangani?
Okay, yeah, for iminyaka.
Oh.
You see the sign? Shoplifters will be prosecuted. I've had enough of you lot. This sign means I'm phoning the police.
No, please. I'm sorry. Please don't phone the police.
Only because I have a boy your age. But I'm phoning your mother.
I don't have a mother.
Who looks after you then?
My sister.
Well, I'm phoning her then.
Abanye abantu bacimba basoze ngikwazi umelana nalo msebenzi. Ngoba kaloku ishow yami iqala le. Kodwa wonke umuntu kukho apha aqale khona.
Yeah, man, I must say, Ayanda's really talented, eh? Ekhaya Ayanda.
Njalo bakhumbula ngayo. Bayavuyisana nami base Eastern Cape. Naxa bangakhamba icinga into yokuba ndawuze ndivele eTVini.
You need to call me when you get this message. Your brother's here with me and he's not leaving.
Umama wami wayemodisha kudala. Kodwa ngoku ungusomashishini-kazi. Usiqhubela amashishini akhe eBeauty Palace. Ungumama womXhosa ozingcayo ngenkcubeko yakhe. Utata wami, ndingathini ngotata wami? Utata wami usebenza kanzima kakhulu. Ubrother wami yena uyi-soccer star. Ufumene ibhasari yesport eya eAmerica.
Thembela. uyowandiva xa bendikubiza Thembela undenza ixhala
Ndicela uxolo, andifuni ukwenza ixhala.
Ndingumntakwenu ndim okufuneka anakekele ifamily yakho ndifuna nizohlala nathi uThami uza kuza azonincedisa ukuqoqosha
Hayi Msukisi.
beka ikratshe ecaleni
Iyawuthi ibe khona indlela yokuphumelela okanye amehlo ami ayawuphinda bengcono.
uyazi into sobe yenzeka yonke iminyaka aya abe worse
Oh, ndiyathandaza. Uba Mxolisi angabi nayo lento.
hayi yena yedwa isenenzeka nakum nasebantwaneni bam
uThami ucinga ukuba ndishwantshulelo.
uThami kufuneka aye kugqirha eclinic athethe naye okanye uyakutsha aqonde isandla sitheni
I'm just grateful to Sharp for giving me this opportunity, you know?
Ukwaze kanjani ke idakamizwa?
Hey, well, hey. Dabuyele ecaweni, Dad. Started talking to kids in schools. Then my agent hooked me up with an anti-drug campaign. You know, all of that helps keep one straight, yeah?
Amakhekhe kodwa usawathanda.
Sipha indaba yakho le.
Qabela ngam.
Sengiqedile ngiyabonga sisi.
You need to call me when you get this message. Your brother's here with me and he's not leaving. Or else I'm phoning the police.
This one night, a friend of mine hooked me up with an E. It felt great, man. Coke, too. You see, from the beginning, you're doing it because it's such a great feeling, eh? But in the end, you're doing it just to maintain. You blow your money and trash your relationships.
Njengoba usungconyana manje. Ikhona mhlawumbe ingconyana nayo empilweni yakho.
Come now, Sipho. You know that's no business of yours, buddy.
Emfowethu. Asimina wathi khethe ukuba i-celebrity.
This is the camera. I found it in his bag.
Hey man, kwenzeka ntoni ngawo? Huh? I'm so sorry. He's never done anything like this before.
Normally I would call the police.
No, please, not the police. He's not a thief.
I'm afraid you're going to have to buy the camera.
Mama.
Andiyazi ntoni enye into. Wena uyanga esikolweni. Speed, khangixelele. Kwenzeka ntoni ngawo? Huh? Nale camera andi-afford.
I don't even want to see him in here again.
Asambe.
Bendifuna nyani camera ayani.
Ingokuyifumene. Well done. Speed. Nami zininzi izinto endizifunayo. Kodwa loo nto ayithetha ukuba ndihamba ndisiba. Yintoni ningawe ngale camera kodwa?
Ndifuna uthathe ifoto ngoku ndisakwazi ngoba ndizawuba emfama. Xa sekunjalo angeke ndiphinde ndikwazi.
Speed. Into yokuba umama akasaboni. Loo nto ayithetha ukuba nawe uzokuba njalo. Fika nje uhambe uyokwenza i-test zamehlo. Yiloo nto qha besithetha nomama. Jonga, zokugodusa ngoku eva. Nomama ndizomxelela. Kodwa ukhe ndaphinde ndakufumana usiba okanye ungayanga esikolweni. Speed.
Ayinoxolo.
So how nalo wena re lwana o tswa yo mona?
Baby, I ended up there. Uvusila's next door. Bonnie, I didn't cheat on you, baby. Baby, please believe me, I didn't.
It's king. I ke khole gore re kena a thotseng part e seng nna.
Well, they were looking for a new face.
What about you?
I don't know. Bafana messed up. And anyway, I haven't been on the box in over a year.
You know, I thought that you would have put in a word for me.
Baby, I did, but I mean, I spoke to Vanolia, but she told me it's too late. I mean, what was I supposed to do?
It was a call back for Dramael.
Baby, but that is great.
I thought about it. Maybe go betere gore nna le wena re ska ba mo papadi e tshwanang.
Bonnie, baby. I hate it when we fight, babes. I need you so much.
I need you too.
DJ's move, bad. And which one? More chance, more. Yeah. Social number is just to the reaction the crowd. Who is just we do it as a Taban vaccine. So what got the disaster showcase. Oh, and by the way, we must talk about number rights now. Yeah, sure. Situating number rights. Sure. Right, hi. Yes, never some bump in about future Yamila. No, come find yo.
Kanjani? Yabona le out there ne. Rostan, and you change your plan as a fucking Grammy Coke. Coach is go say we are na le ndawo.
Ndoto wena was kanjani ngale staff?
Ah, thala ngikhulo mfana wami.
The Prince. Greta. Hi. Greta. Hi. Grand. Hi, this is Baba. What? Jos. You dance for calling my name. You would have told me.
I'm so spinning that. If you could suspend some drugs.
I'm fine. I'm going to see top for now.
Tell him face. Yes, consent. Yes.
Man.
Ingxolo yantoni leyo?
Ayonto.
Sundiqhatha uthi asiyonto. Intoni lonto?
Ikhamera ma.
Ubuyifumana phi?
Thangula ngu-Ayanda.
Uyazi uba khangathethe nto tu u-Ayanda. Uyakufekethisa.
I-present eChristmas.
Xolisi. Malume umzuku esufuna siyohlala nabo kunye no-Antami.
Andifuni.
Ngokuba kutheni?
U-Antami akasithandi ma.
Hayi, uyasithanda ndiyayazi loo nto.
Sizawulunga ma. Mna nawe ndiza kujonga.
Nam nditshilo ukuba andifuni nyana.
Uxolo ukuba ndikwatile izolo.
Nam ndicela uxolo ngokuba ndiye ndayifihla le nto ixesha elide kuwe.
Ha ke utlwa ke yena bosehong ba maobane. Mamela he ausi. Ho boima. Pinky o re o tlo nka mehato ya melao. Ha o sa mo fe tsebiso ya kgwedi ka nngwe.
Pinky can go to hell if they'll have her.
Hai kaloku Ayanda. Ke tisitse. iphumana le tobetebeng ya mathata.
Wayisiking Masishaba. Eyona nto iserious ukuba ananto yonxiba kwipati etshisa namhlanje ebusuku eClub Destiny.
Chesa.
I got the job, Masishaba.
Well done. Ke tlo aparang nna.
Hayibo. Ke mang o tseng o invited?
Ao. Tloela tseo. Mpolelle ka Shane. Ho etsahetse maobane.
Ga ke batle bua ka Shane.
Okay. Fela ono bapalane. Ke tshoka pati.
Fine, Masishaba. O katla. Empa wena fela, e seng metswalenyana eo ya hao.
Kutle. Jale Pinky. Ke tlo reng ho yena?
Sanibonani.
Sawubona bhuti.
Njani?
Siphilile mfana.
Msebenzi wami emisha. Wenza ingadi, washa imoto, nokumama pendani. Hawa kwatshela ukuthi uyasidlalela la. Abanye kube serious.
Ngoba nakho ufunda esikolweni. Fanele ube uncedo olukhulu la endlini. Na kanjani? Thanda ungathandi.
Bengafanele uyeke isikole ungatshelanga muntu. Jikuqamba manga futhi pheka lokho.
Ngazile phela uzovumelana nabo.
Izwile track yakho yazi. Yazama.
Iyazama. Awazi nokuthi ukhuluma ngani. Ngitswembe le track leyo.
Omtshela. Bona onisha ama rights ne publishing master.
Angazi usibuthi sokhuluma.
Okay, senze nje mawuthi udinga usizo ngecontract ngitsheleso.
Sure, mara kuyafana mfethu. Ngizobela ngibhizi la endlini ngiklinana nendlu than ukuthi ngenze music kwami.
Alright.
Sure.
You can't be scared of stepping on toes if you want to go dancing.
You can't be scared of stepping on toes if you want to go dancing. You can't be scared of stepping on toes if you want to go dancing.
Hola boy. Sha. Azakuthumela vandag, ne? Ayifana bona namankhula. Kunoba mapendana njengoprince.
Oh, so isikoko sama jokes manje.
Hey boy. Asiye man basimela abantwana la.
Abantwana baphi?
Urose noduta abaforstand. Abantwana ukhona bebedance kuma music videos angithola. So mina nawe vele sohlanganisa acting for eclubini. Manje thini?
Uzobhatala ngani labantwana?
Awungawari.
Uzobanika amasweet.
Ungawari. Phela wonke umuntu ufuna ukuzithola ku Gravy Train ka Prince. Come on.
Mina bese ngikhuluma noLindiwe.
Uthini manje? Umntana wesikolo?
Man nikhohlwe lokho. Bheka, ubheke ukuthi kumele sikhulume sithole copyright track.
Ya ngizoyilungisa leyo. Thatha into zakho sivaye ke.
Okay, if sikhuluma indaba ama dancers, kuzomela ngifone Lindiwe ngithembisa uPrecious.
Precious. Asibo.
Yeah.
Everything's gonna be fine, man. You know the first shoot is always the toughest.
If uShane angafiki, there'll be no show. Ayandakambona uShane. No.
Mhlawumbe uselo nje.
Maybe he was partying ubusuku bonke.
Lonto soze indothusi kuba ngaloko bepha kwami apha ezinsukwini enqelethi engazazi negama.
Don't know babazi. Yabona no sokhaphela abantu abantswembu and already track ethi playlist we ku radio. And the track leyo bayidrop ephathini echisa vandag jumpers. Call it what?
Check mfana, simnandi. Lindiwe uzositshela ama dance routine for mahala. Sibajinda lapho.
We still Lindy and what we say van dance?
Lindiwe tight Joe. Tight.
Okay. Maar ons gaat op niks sê son my gebetaal te word.
Maar hy sal sewenza mal.
And we want to be at the birthday bash.
No problem. Plus basigayile la guest list. Sizofaka. Ngifike la.
Oh, come on. It's like the handshake on the deal, huh?
Man ngozostefela na ngozenza ingco sethu yini manje?
Notubani sengiyatefa hawu ukuthi angifuni.
Uyasha.
Ngisho yini? Nditawutala ngiyibheme izolo mina. Okay, hayi. Ngibonise.
Sim, my perverse. Grande. Eh?
ngiyacasuka manje uyazi utabs Shane.
So sorry I'm late. You guys, you won't believe it. There was some accident in the M1, man. Some big pileup.
ama-cell phones ayenzelweni kanti Shane
Yazi nje ifoni yami. Anyway, yazi ngisibhanqa nesazi. Because I'm just so nervous, man.
Okay, just calm down yakuwodrop usheshe khona manje ne
Okay.
Beyikhona lento ayishoyo.
siyobona phambili tabs
lama move enu aright ukuthi nje.
And then you
So you must be the famous Lindiwe. How? Sing famous. Uqalela nini manje?
Okay, Lindiwe, Roxy, Ututu, they're gonna be your dancers, ne?
Her dancers?
Hey, guys, just figure it out. They're dropping our track there. It's a part. This will be sit the stand. Uzozwa kahle.
Ay, fana ngazathi. Phela mina nilindiwe kumele sifunde sosobhala ama-exams.
Ngicabanga ukuthi angisupport kuyo yonke into engiyenzayo.
Bafana uyazi ukuthi i-support yami unayo misa.
Manje
Kuzomele ukuthi ngikambile ugoga mama. Okay, fana, ngizazi. Mara only because badalitulo la.
so sibe kumnandi bheka.
Joy ngathi wonke umhlaba uphezu kwakho. And uthi ndim ongenabuchule.
Jonga mamela ne kuzofuneka sisebenze sobabini yandiwe. So ngicela nje ushiye le nonsense yakho phandle ne.
All right, everyone. Stand by.
Okay, let's do this.
Roll cameras. And action.
Yeah, people, now somebody please give me a bucket of water because tonight and she said, yep, we're about to set the house on fire.
Leyo na ichisa. Chisa. Dingu ayanda. Yena unguShane.
Hey, yep, now please put on your dancing shoes. Advice for emerging artists?
They need to be unique, have their own image, you know, their own identity, and they need to be passionate. And finally, they need to treat music as a business. Yeah.
Okay. And finally, maske sithethe ngale album yenu entsha.
The album is coming out next month, and yeah, we're very excited. It's one of the best albums Mafikizolo has ever done. It's a very happy album, very vibey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice one. Well, yep, that is Mafikizolo. That's Theo and Tlantla. Getting everybody under the sun just to dance together. Well, they this week's legends.
Kwaye soze uphinde ufuna ukuphoswa kuleveke elandelayo.
Because we are going to be burning down the house.
Bafethu, siyavaya.
One love and war. Peace, South Africa. Bye.
And cut. Nice, nice. Very well done, guys. Thank you so much.
You know what? Well done. I take it back. You do have talent.
Now, we are that bad.
Everybody, ningakhohlwa i-party tonight, okay?
senze njani ngalomfana wefriend?
Hey, nkosikazi. Yazi ngabe ngibona ukuthi ngithumelele kumama wakho enquthu. Ayohlala kunye naye.
Kahle bo.
Yabona uma ingaphinda nje futhi aphazame, uyozitholela ilusi imbuzi.
Come on,
What do you mean?
I told you. If you go back on that stuff, then it's over.
Baby, please.
Oh, Shane, whatever. We're thinking I could get us.
Precious sila mina kuba yini ufunyelela ekhabo likalindiwe
Koko phela kulula masifunda sobabili.
kanti kwalaphi bona nifundele ekhaya apha
Koko ngithi awumthanda ulindi.
he unempendulo yayo yonke into uyazi bona kuyingozi kangaka nokuhamba ebusuku
Ubhuti kalindi uzongilanda sekangimele ngaphandle.
Sure.
Hey.
Aza ngithanda ucambi lokogama ngafana.
Mangikhohlelwa lokho asamse groove.
Asimujesi.
Hey, cha.
I want you to get the presenters as they come in. Hello, Ayanda.
How are you? Well,
Looking fine.
yes, I am. Hey, it looks like everyone's here. Can I go in?
Enjoy. Yeah.
Bye.
Hey, there's my man. How you doing, Shane?
I'm good, buddy.
Are you good?
No, I'm good.
How you
man.
feeling?
Feeling wonderful, buddy.
Are you looking
Yeah,
forward
have
to
fun, yeah.
Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Well, I hope you have fun. All the girls are watching.
You know, like always.
Have a good time. My man. Cool, man.
So it's kind of autobiographical and a road movie. It's about loss.
Vinodi. Ngiyajabula ukubona sis. Wonke umuntu ukhumba ngechisa.
Hey baby.
Uma nje bengitshela nge-short film leni yenzayo. Kuzokala ngathi izinto zihamba kahle.
Okay. Enjoy. Ngitshela ke babe, manje ungishelele.
Kulate. Usinkathele ukulinda nami.
Okay. You know you can be so selfish sometimes.
Umthetho wakhona sokula noma sojabula la.
Thank you. Ngiyabonga.
Because it's Joe's way too good.
Shane. Not even if you were the last man on planet Earth.
What else dancing means to you? No, Mina, I only feel right mangiva, so that's what it means. Dancing? Ke nahana ya re feta ka dileng. Ke ha batho ba ipokanya. Ebe ba kete e ka o kila bona. Ho ba monate. Ba dance.
What's up, man?
The one I'm gonna lala. Ne have yabona labakuleli. Yo. It's a show.
Grant.
Hey, you rush, man. Nazumi's wife, ne?
Ecstasy.
Goes on. We change your light bulb. What? Stop.
What do you think about dancing?
Joe, dance Joe, future yami. Yabona ngithuna ama-track sibathi bakwazi ukujala. Bakhohlwe inkinga zabo. Sure.
You cool, bro?
You're cool, man. Did you take that ball?
Nah, ngingasabi mfethu. Nathi.
heard that they popping your track tonight, man. You were right, man.
Sure. Shane. Ukranjo. Shane.
Careful, Prince.
Careful, huh?
This thing. The fame, the bling, the goals, the bulls. It is way bigger than us. You know what? We use it to fold the hole in our souls and it takes over. It is greedy. Don't get sucked in, Bafana.
Dancing is like dying, yeah? It's when your spirit can fly, when your soul finds peace, but you don't forget to breathe, eh?
I'm confused, boy. Ngisazi ubani futhi awubani umngani. Ngoba kaqaqo lodla futhi abantu abekenyusa boy. Mara yazini, hlele nazi ukuthi indoda ekwazi umkhosi wayo. Zobuya, zovuka sokholisa lenxeba. Ufele for boy. Wonke umuntu uyadeserve second chance.
It life bigger than us, it fame bigger than us, it hype, it pressure on my fans bigger than us. Politics ugly came to me, the bigger than us, bigger than us, show, bigger than us, it life bigger than us, it fame bigger than us, it hype, it pressure on my fans bigger than us. Politics ugly came to me, the bigger than us, bigger than us, bigger than us.